Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Blurams A31P Lumi Pro 4K home security camera. Here we've got the camera itself. As you can see, it's got a speaker on the back here so you can do two-way talk. And it's also got this innovative button right here. You can press if you're in front of the camera. It will call up anybody that has the Blurams app on their phone that monitors the camera. So you can have your kid at home, maybe wants to get a hold of you, they don't have a phone themselves, they can push this button and talk to you through the camera. Here you can see this is a slot to put the micro SD card in. It takes up to 128 gigabytes of micro SD for storage, but it's also got a light. This light will light up the area during the night to get a very good quality shot, and it provides for color night vision, which is great because usually night vision you just kind of get this bluish tint on the video, but this way you can actually see everything in color at night when there's no lights on. On the back here, you've got the USB-C port. This allows you to plug it in. This thing does rotate all the way around, and the lens also goes up and down. So this really provides a complete view of the area. It also has motion tracking. So if somebody goes in front of the camera and they move a little bit to the side, this camera will follow them around and make sure that they're in the frame. At the bottom of the box here, we've just got the wall brick to plug this thing in. We've also got the USB to USB-C cable. It's quite a good length. This allows you to power up the camera. We've got the user manual, and we've also got a guide here in case you want to install this. And you've also got 2 screws and 2 drywall hooks included that will allow you to mount this thing. So I've got the camera plugged in. It's doing some sort of calibration right now. And I got the Blurams app loaded up with my account. I'm gonna go ahead and press on A31P to go ahead and activate this device. The camera shows up right here. I'm gonna go ahead and press on the connect button.
Please wait for the camera to go online.
Is now connecting to the network. I've now got the camera facing toward me, and I confidently say this is the best quality I have seen from a Blurams camera. Blurams really exceeded expectations this time. Take a look here at my phone. This is what I'm seeing. As you can see, that quality is just amazing. Here is a better view. You can just see how crystal clear that 4K resolution it really is. On the app, I can also go ahead and trigger an alarm. As you can see, it shines that light right there, and it also has a siren that it plays. You can manually control the camera angle using this little joystick right here. So as you can see, it is moving around. Super responsive, by the way. And then right here, you can use the camera and the camcorder icons to take pictures, take videos, but it will always record little segments whenever it detects motion anyway. So if you put your micro SD card in the camera, it'll just automatically save it all to your phone and you can view them whenever you want, or you can take advantage of the Blurams cloud storage and just, you don't even need a card in there. It just stores it off into a server so you can go ahead and view your footage anytime you like. There's also a talk button right down here. I can go ahead and press that, and now I can talk. And as you can see, my voice came out of the camera. You can also talk into the camera and hear it back on the phone. If somebody pressed this phone button on the camera, it will go ahead and send you a notification on your phone that someone is calling.
Initiating a call.
Overall, I highly recommend this Blurams A31P Lumi Pro 4K home security camera. This is top-notch quality. It's definitely the best home security solution that I've found that has all the features you really need. Thanks for watching.